Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to turn on Smart Compose in the Gmail app. If you want to write emails faster and make fewer mistakes, this feature will be your new best friend. It helps you finish sentences as you type by suggesting words and phrases that fit your message. Let's dive right in and get it set up together. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want Smart Compose to be active. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open up a sidebar with lots of different options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. If you have more than one email account signed in, you'll see each of them listed here. Choose the specific email account where you want to enable Smart Compose. Once inside, you'll find a variety of features you can customize. Now, look for the Smart Compose option under the Smart Features or Composing section. Depending on your version of Gmail, you'll see a small checkbox next to Smart Compose. To enable it, check the box. If it was already checked, Smart Compose is already turned on and ready to help you type faster. That's it. From now on, every time you start writing an email, you'll notice great text suggestions appearing as you type. If you like the suggestion, just swipe right or press the spacebar to accept it instantly. It's that simple. Smart Compose not only saves time, but also helps create professional, polished emails with much less effort. You can turn it off anytime by following the same steps and unchecking the box. So go ahead, try it out, and see how much smoother writing emails can be. Thanks for watching.